The Supreme Court on Friday expressed displeasure over the delay in hearing the bail application of Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan in a land-grabbing case, saying this is a travesty of justice. A bench comprising Justices L. Nageshwara Rao and B.R. Gavai noted that Khan has got bail in 86 out of 87 cases and said it would hear the matter on May 11th. Khan has been out on bail in all matters except one for so long. This is travesty of justice. We will not say anything more. We will hear it on Wednesday, the bench said. The counsel appearing for Khan told the Apex Court that the High Court has reserved its verdict on the bail application. The Allahabad High Court on Thursday reserved its order on the bail application of Khan in the case of grabbing of enemy property for his Muhammad Ali Jauhar University project. The High Court on December 4, 2021 had reserved its decision. However, the state government later submitted an application and sought permission to present some new facts through fresh affidavits, which were filed on Thursday. An FIR was lodged against Khan and others for allegedly grabbing of enemy property and misappropriation of public money of more than hundreds of crores of rupees. The FIR was lodged at police station Azam Nagar in Rampur under the IPC and the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act.